Hey, what's up? Alright, today we're doing still wool photography. Let's go! This is gonna be a short one. It's not a tutorial, it is more me taking you on an adventure, if you may. Recently I've seen these videos on still wool photography and I said, okay, I need to do this. So I guess this is me doing it. I don't think longboards were made for this kind of road. I need a one wheel. So I was thinking that I could do it right there. I'd have to, like, I don't know, I don't want to get wet because this water isn't exactly the cleanest, you know? So I'd have to go from there, right there. What you're going to need for this kind of photography is a tripod. I use a wide lens, but you can use whatever you want. And a remote. I'm gonna show you what to do with the remote. So let's go scouting a little bit more and then we're gonna come back here because I kind of like this. I like the idea of me on the bridge trying to do this thing as well. So I think it's gonna look cool. I really think it's gonna look cool. You wouldn't believe we're in a city, right? But still, I think I'm gonna do this there, right there, because yeah, I think it's the safest place. I don't want to start a fire, and that's like in the middle of the water, so you know, better safe than sorry. Also, around here, people seem to do crazy shit, like actually taking shits. All right, here we are. This doesn't smell really good, but we'll have to deal with it. Let's start doing it. Come on. In this case, I'm using a 17-50 Sigma. I think I'm going to go to 5.6, and I'm going to use an ND filter, and I'm going to try something. I'm going to try different things out, and I'll see how it goes, because it's something that I've never done before, like ever. And I don't know if it's going to work, if it's going to burn, anything. I'm going to try it though. Alright, so in all the other videos I've seen that they use a whisk. They put the steel wool in the whisk and they just fucking fly it around. So we got a whisk, we got a steel wool. Instead of a cord, I thought I could use my old metal head chain. So the settings on the camera are f/18, 6 seconds, and ISO 100. A thing that I do often is that I will use the cable remote in continuous mode, and I'm going to let it like to lock it. And it's going to keep shooting and shooting and shooting like 6 seconds exposures for as long as I want it to shoot. So you don't have to come back every time and, you know, to just click the shutter again, push the shutter again. Just lock it and you're gonna have like 30 seconds exposures, one after another, one after another. You don't have to touch the camera, so I think it's pretty cool. Moment of truth. Okay, we're gonna start with, I don't think I can get more than 3, or maybe yes, maybe I can, yeah. We're gonna start with 4 and see what happens. Okay, I'm pretty scared right now because I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna keep this camera pretty far because I don't have an ND filter on this one right now. And I'm going to wear a shirt so I don't get burnt or anything like that, and I'm gonna keep a bottle of water nearby just in case. So safety first, guys, safety first. Did you see that? Oh my god, that was so fucking amazing. I mean, in the beginning it wouldn't start, the fire wouldn't start, but once I started swinging it, like very fast, it just caught fire. And oh, that looked amazing. I'm happy with the effect that it gives, but I'm not really happy with the pictures that I've taken so far. I think I need more. I need it to be a little bit darker so I can get longer exposures and I can see the effect better. Almost finished the steel wool. I only got 2 tries. One is for here, and I'm gonna make a 30-second exposure, and another one is for the bridge because nobody's passing by anymore, so I can actually do that. Let's see how this goes, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a dope one. Alright guys, so last try. Hopefully it's going to be okay and it's gonna work out. Alright, so the focus is set, the camera is on continuous mode, and this is the last try. Really last try because I've finished all the steel wool. What? I mean, really, what? Did you see that? What I did wrong in the other ones, I think it was, I know it was the shutter speed. So the shutter speed was like 20 seconds long or 15 seconds long, and they would get those lines, just lines. With a shutter speed of 5 seconds or something like that, it's actually, you get some more detail in the trails, in the flames, whatever, and it looks cool. So yeah, I think I've learned something today and you've learned something today, so everybody's happy, right? Hey, it's getting dark and I really need to go home and start editing this because this is going to come out tomorrow. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'll see you in the next video.